Hello and welcome to softexpert. In this short video you will learn how to add a sticky video to any website. And by any website I mean no matter which platform are you using, like Webflow, Shopify, Wix, WordPress, BigCommerce, Squarespace and all these. And this tool is compatible with all these platforms. And by sticky video I mean a video that will be sticky on the page while the user is scrolling the page. Okay, let's see. Just like this one. Okay, multiple design and skins are available. And this is fully customizable, so you can change the colors, the fonts and so on, and is perfectly responsive for both mobile and desktop view. Moreover, you can add custom CSS if you want to. Now let's see how we can create this widget and how we can embed this on our website. The platform that we will be using in this video is Common Ninja. Using this platform you can create hundreds of widgets and you can embed them on your website. You can see these widgets, you can filter them by these. And in the last video I showed you that how we can create a WhatsApp widget like this, and also a testimonial slider or carousel like this one. Okay, that you can see live here on the website. I kept both the version for a client so that he can choose any of them. Okay, by the way, this is a free platform and the link will be given in the description. Okay, now to create any widget you can search for a specific one. As we are doing sticky video, so I'll search for that. You can see sticky video. I'll just click on it. It will show me that same page. I can click on create a sticky video player and it will take me to the widget builder. And the first thing is we can add our video URL here. So you can embed video from any platform like YouTube, Vimeo, Amazon and so on. And this will be the video size that you can change over here. And to add a custom video and upload video here, just click on upload and upload file and select a video and open it. Once uploaded, click on it and use media, and this is our video now. Again you can change the video size. Okay, so let's keep this size. Okay, the square one. And now to further customize the design, just go to look and feel, and this is the position, so which will be sticky here or on the bottom right, up, top, left and so on. Okay, I'll keep bottom left because on the right side I have a WhatsApp widget. Okay, and for the design you can change the text color, the background color and the primary color. Okay, but we will keep everything transparent. Okay, and these are some skins available. And then we have advanced, where you can change the font type and all these. These come handy when you are using another widget like testimonial slider or something. Okay, this is the border radius, which is these rounded corners, and the rail bar color, which will be the progress bar. Okay, track bar and so on. We have some custom options where you can give custom styles to the main wrapper, video wrapper, controls and rail bar and so on. Okay, for now let's keep it as it is and let's publish it. So to publish this on your website, just click save changes. Then you can select a project. So I have this, my first project. You can create a new one or something and we'll save it. And that's it. Congrats, your widget is ready. Now you can simply copy this code and you can paste it on your website to get this widget. Okay, so I'll just copy it, and you can use any platform as I mentioned, and in this case I'm using Swipe Pages, which is a super fast landing page builder. Let's edit this page. We have that video over here, but instead of this I'll use that sticky video. So I'll search for HTML. You can use HTML or your code module. Okay, and I'll paste the code I copied there. Okay, that's it. Let's save it, publish it, and now let's check our page. So I'll just reload it. So this is the video that we just added. Okay, and this is the previous one. Now if I play this video, and this is the progress bar. Okay, you can change the colors as I mentioned. Now you can see that video is sticky over here. So in this way you can add a sticky video to any website using Common Ninja. They have hundreds of widgets available and is compatible with all the platforms you are using. Okay, I hope you will find this video helpful. For more such videos, just follow my channel, and still if there were any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next